Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. Today we will be starting chapter 29, that is writing paragraphs. So how do we write a paragraphs? What are its parts? We will come to know in this chapter, and also I will give the paragraph of my favorite season. Okay, we already know that a sentence in a group of words that make complete sense on its own. So we already know what a sentence is, that it makes complete sense on its own. When we put together a few sentences that are based on a topic, we get a paragraph. So if we are talking about on a same topic, we write few lines or we say few sentences about it, then we get a paragraph. So what does a paragraph consists of? First, it consists of the topic sentence that reveals what the paragraph is about. So it tells us what are we going to write, or what is the topic or what is the sentence we are going to write. It reveals what is the paragraph is about. Next we have body sentence. What does it have? Sustains and develops the idea given in the topic sentence. Okay, so it describes more, or it tells more details about the topic. Two or more sentences can be given in this part of the paragraph. They add some information or give examples. So in this body sentence, what happens? We get more information about the topic. We write more sentences. We give examples about the topic. And last we have concluding sentence. What it is? Completes the idea and closes the paragraph by taking it to its logical conclusion. So at the end, your idea how to complete the topic, that is what we are having in the concluding sentence. Okay, we write the idea, we complete the idea regarding the paragraph, regarding the topic. Okay, and closes the paragraph by taking it to its logical conclusion. So whatever the ending is, which is logical, which is the factual thing, or which according to you is right, that is the conclusion of the sentence or of the paragraph. Okay, you see, so three parts are there in a paragraph. Okay, here is a paragraph written about a visit to a zoo. So we are not going to read it, we are simply going to do what is going to come in your post midterm exam, that is my favorite season. Okay, so as you can see, here are a few lines that I have written for you about my favorite seasons. You can write any season that you feel like, but I have written over here about spring season, okay, which is my favorite season. You can write any of the season you like. Okay, so here are a few lines that I have written. So my favorite season is spring season. Spring season is a season of flowers which arrives after winter and before summer. This season is neither too cold nor too hot. I like this season because of the fragrance, beauty and freshness of the flowers. Spring season is also known as the king of all the seasons. So as you know, there are 4 seasons, and in those 4 seasons, spring season is the king of all the seasons. Next we have, the spring is a healthy season with fresh air and sunshine. It is my favorite season as it marks the start of various festivals in India. So as we know, when the spring arrives, there are many festivals that come with it, like Basant Panchami, that is Saraswati Puja. Okay, you can write that also, or whichever season is your favorite. If it is summer season, you can write you like eating ice creams and drinking Coca-Cola and everything like that. But here I have written about the spring season. Okay, so why is spring season so specific? Because of the blooming of the flower, the greenery that is all around during this season. So there are so many flowers that bloom during this season. The environment is completely beautiful, it is very mesmerizing. Okay, everywhere colorful flowers are there. So these are few lines that I think I should include in this my favorite season. So you can write any of your favorite seasons. Okay, so as you know, the spring is a healthy season with fresh air and sunshine. Okay, in this season you get fresh air, there is a beautiful sunshine. Okay, in this season It is my favorite season as it marks the start of various festivals in India. We love to fly kites because of the blooming weather. So the weather is so nice that children go out and fly kite also. Then this season gives pleasure to my mind and eyes. I love the greenery and beauty of this season. Okay, so there are about 8 sentences that I have made, and there are more lines. Okay, more than 10 lines that are given. So it's your work that you should learn these lines, okay, for your post midterm exam. Okay, go through the explanation of the chapter that I have given. That there are 3 parts of paragraph are there. Okay, learn this. That is my favorite season. Just learn it. Okay, you can write, again I am saying that you can write whichever is your favorite season. It is just that I felt that spring season is more beautiful than any of the other seasons. That is why I have written. So just learn it and do attempt writing this. Okay, learn it. And that was all for today's class. Thank you.